BMW Motorrad has officially announced the existence of an all-new model called the R12 nineT. This bike will be the successor to the R nineT. Visually, the R12 nineT retains the retro styling of his R nineT, with a classic-looking fuel tank with knee dimples. The side panels are also reminiscent of 1970s BMW bikes. It also has a one-way dual exhaust and LED taillights integrated into the seats. The BMW R12 nineT is also equipped with LED headlights and indicators. Design and styling don't deviate much from the R nineT, but the R12 is expected to feature a new 1200cc boxer twin engine with redesigned intake and exhaust. However, BMW unveiled the R12 nineT just in time to celebrate the 100th anniversary of BMW Motorrad and his 10th anniversary of the BMW R nineT. This new generation will come in multiple variants such as Scrambler and Cafe Racer. This changes the ergonomics as the base is based on an adventure bike rather than a roadster. In terms of handling, the suspension setup seems very similar to the previous model. Of course, you can expect to get his latest updated 2024 version of the fork and paralever. It is not yet known if there will be a lower-priced R12 Pure version with a standard fork.